Good morning everyone, it is officially day 3 of our Switzerland journey and today we will be going to one of the must-sees, Interlaken, and I'm super excited, and right now we're at the train station. Today we'll be going to Interlaken, which is a town in Switzerland, and it is super duper popular for the tourists, so we are going to go there and explore today. At the mini cruise, you can always come out and enjoy the breeze outside, and the wind is always really strong, so it's a really cooling morning feeling. After a 1-hour mini cruise ride, we took the train to continue our trip to Interlaken because, as I said, it's really far from the Luzern main station, so now we are here enjoying the wonderful views. We are now on our third train to our destination. As we finally alighted at Interlaken, you can already see the snow mountain and it looks so gorgeous. Right now we're going to be taking the cable car, which is our first step in today's journey.
Welcome to Interlaken!
We were super excited to be here because you can see a lot of snow mountains. It just feels so unreal. It's so beautiful and so gorgeous. So right now we're in the train to go up and up Interlaken. So the views were really splendid, and now we were going to make our way to the cable car, which was so long awaited. You can see from here. One thing I liked about this cable car is that it's not really crowded, unlike the Rigi Mountain cable car, which was kind of crowded, and you can go and view my vlog on my YouTube channel. And now we were finally arriving at the first station, which is 2,677 meters above sea level. This is so awesome. The counter lady actually told us it was going to be very cold, and luckily we wore thick layers. However, gloves will be very helpful if you come up here. But the view is just awesome. There's actually this bridge that you can walk on, and we didn't bring our grandparents up here because it was really cold and it's really high above sea level, so they might have some side effects.
We are literally freezing right now, and just now we took another cable car, and now we are at the top, like the top of the mountain. So let's go to the platform viewing station. We're at one of the highest places in Europe, and it wasn't as cold as I expected it to be. We are like literally 2,970 meters above sea level. So it took like a total of 3 cable cars to reach here, and they had like a restaurant inside. So probably we're gonna get some food, you know, to keep ourselves warm. And the view here is so amazing. I don't know why, but I feel a bit dizzy and my heart's beating a lot faster than usual. I don't know if this is supposed to be normal, but anyways, let's continue to explore.
So at the top of the mountain, there's actually this mini restaurant or cafe. So we were getting our lunch at the summit or at the top of the mountain, and they had a lot of food options, but it was kind of expensive. So we just got some instant noodles to go for our lunch, and now we were going to start eating.
Again.
So after taking the cable car back down, we were officially here at where we started. I was feeling a bit hungry, so we just got some simple yogurt ice cream to complete our lunch. And honestly, the memories that we made up there at the mountain were very memorable as well.
After going up the mountain, the experience is awesome. Right now we're going to walk around at Interlaken and go to the waterfall.
Now we were finally going back to our hotel after a tiring but fun day, and our next stop was going to be Paris. So thank you guys for watching today's vlog, which is Switzerland day 3, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!